Hot Braids is dedicated to helping you find the right hair texture and length for your unique braids. Take your braiding hair to the next level now. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you read by the title, I am going to be showing you guys how I achieved this beautiful hairstyle. Thank you so much, Hot Braids, for sponsoring this video. I will be using their hair to achieve this hairstyle. This is mini twist, and I added a design because who am I if I don't add my braid style designs? So if you're interested and you want to know how to recreate this simple hairstyle, definitely keep on watching. But before we hop into this video, don't forget to leave this video a like, comment, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Look at this gorgeous package it came in. You got everything you need for the perfect braid or twist look. Inside, you got 6 packs of high quality hair, a super cute bag for storage, a thank you card, and that's not all. You also get a box packed with these handy hair clips, a rat tail comb, a brush, a edge brush. It's everything that you need to create flawless twists at home and no salon or appointment required, okay? So whether you're a braid pro or just getting started, Hot Braids makes it super easy to slay your look. First, I'm parting my hair down the middle and stopping right at that halfway point. This creates 2 neat sections in the front . And for the back, I'm going to part it in 8 layers. Using my mirror and some gel, I make sure that the part is nice and straight. It's all about getting those clean lines, so take your time. Also remember, nobody's really going to see the back of your hair, so like you don't have to part it neat, but like I like to try my best when it comes to my parts. Now, I'm just going to part my hair vertically to create my first twist. It's key to make sure you grab a piece of hair that's evenly distributed. You want each section to be as even as possible for that flawless look. Next, I'm going in with my Camilla Rose moisturizer, y'all. This smells so amazing, and it gives my hair that extra moisture and smoothness to make twisting so much easier. I first start off by braiding the section just a few times to secure it, and then I split the braid into 2 sections. From there, I twist it down for a clean, defined look. Now to make the twist long, I twist that section all the way down until I can't twist it anymore, and then I grab another piece of hair and place it in the middle of the 2 twisted sections. Once it's placed, I secure it by twisting both sides, basically like a finger coil. I'm adding that extra piece in, just making sure that it's nice and tight. Once it's secure and I feel that the new piece is locked in, I just continue twisting the section down regularly. This gives it that extra length and also ensures that the twist stays nice and tight all the way to the end. I'm basically going to continue on with the same technique all throughout my hair, and stay tuned to see how I braid up my hair in the front.
I just wanna dig it out of town and look around and say, oh, I just wanna change the life, pretend to cry and long as I
For the first section, I'll be starting off both sides with 2 rows of twists, repeating those same techniques all throughout. I add the hair into my roots as a braid. I braid down for a few inches, then connect the 2 sections into 2 pieces. From here, I twist all the way down until I can't twist any further. Once I reach the end, I add in another piece of hair and place it in the middle of those 2 sections. Then I finger coil both sides to make sure it's secure before twisting all the way down. So here's how the twists are looking so far. I went ahead and did the right side off camera to save some time, but now let's jump into these braids. I part my hair down the middle, kind of like a tribal braid style. Then I add some gel and start braiding my scalp until I reach the end. To make the braid a little longer, I add in a piece of hair, place it right in the middle of those 2 sections, connect it, and twist it until it's secure. Once everything is nice and secure, I twist all the way down until the end. Now I'm parting that section into 2, aiming to make it as even as the left side. For the first section, I'll be doing a total of 9 slanted braids and 1 straight back braid. I start off by parting the section in a slanted direction, going towards my right. Add some gel and braid that section. Then I add in the hair and continue braiding, repeating those same steps for the rest of the 8 braids. That's really the tutorial. If you guys have any further questions, definitely feel free to leave them down below in the chat. And also, if you want to save some money off this hair, click the description box to learn more further details about how you can save money off this hair. But thank you guys so much for listening to this tutorial. Like I said, if it was hard for you to understand, definitely just let me know. If you have any further questions, like I said, just feel free to drop them down below in the chat. And let's see you in the outro.
Alpha Omega, my maker, almighty one. I just don't have enough words to give you the praise you deserve. It's about that time I take a deep dive and I go all in. Faith like I'm walking on water, I better not fall in. Yeah, I'ma keep my eyes on you, seek you like I'm supposed to do. Your love is easy like it's 1 + 2. No more burdens cause I trust in you. You are all I need, and I give you all of me. You come first, more of you, less of me. I'm moving like Matthew 6:33. Yeah, set apart, covered and blessed. I serve God and say it with my chest. Wake up, thankful for his patience, grace and salvation. So nobody bothering me, no weapons formed against me shall prosper. I'm covered in God's armor. Yeah, if you say go, then I'll go. Lord, I only answer to you. So I'ma keep my eyes on you, seek you like I'm supposed to do. Your love is easy like it's 1 + 2. No more burdens cause I trust in you. You are all I need, and I give you all of me. You come first, more of you, less of me. I'm moving like Matthew 6:33.
I hope that I explained everything well. If you guys have any further questions, definitely leave them down below. And if you guys enjoy watching this tutorial, if you guys want more hair videos like this, definitely like this video so I know how to like move accordingly. You know what I'm saying? So if you guys love this hairstyle just as much as I do, like I said, definitely leave me a like and comment down below and let me know what you try. Everything will be linked down below. I have a coupon code for you guys to use that's on the screen. I used a total of 6 packs and the inches is 22 inches. I love you, God loves you, and we are going to see you in our next video.
But I can use some time, but baby, I can't help to think you might not make it home to eat. I barely sleep. Could you pick up a phone and call me at home? And then you know you ain't in some heat. And don't go crying, you're grown. You know I'm looking out for you, cause you be looking out for me. You're looking over the dog. You make this promise to me, you make it back in 1 piece. Say you can go with the dog.